Our next speaker is Elizabeth Williams. Elizabeth is from the Department of Computer Science, and the title of her talk is Make the Right Choice. Thank you, Elizabeth.
Imagine you're an out-of-town fan driving to Tuscaloosa this weekend for the football game. How could you know if there's an accident up ahead or construction? And if there is, how can you tell how bad it is and whether you should detour? The answer to these types of questions can often be found on social media. My research investigates how to better discover this sort of information from social media. I have created software that can analyze trends and topics on Twitter and relate those trends and topics to their geographical locations. I'm basically answering the question, what are people talking about in different places? Every second, almost 5,000 tweets are published. Every minute, 293,000 Facebook statuses are updated. The average person spends 1.92 hours per day on an online social network. Contrast that to the only 12 minutes per day that the average person spends watching a local news channel, and it's clear that the way we get our information to make decisions is changing. It's also clear from these numbers that the amount of information on social media is too large for one person to analyze alone. So that's why my research uses computerized algorithms in order to solve this problem. My software can analyze the content of a tweet, discover its topic, which is what the tweet is actually talking about, and use clues from the content and the metadata of the tweet in order to figure out where the tweet originated from. My research has already shown significant improvement over existing methods used to solve this problem. Extracting information from social media can help us make choices. For example, a few days ago, my software detected an airport closure at Miami International Airport due to a suspicious package. Within seconds, my software was able to automatically tell me exactly which gate that package was located at. This information is useful for anybody in the airport because it can tell them which areas of the airport to avoid, as well as giving them an estimate of when their flight might be delayed. Because social media happens in real time, there's no longer a need to watch the 5 o'clock news in order to find out what's happening in your community. Instead, now we can rely on the information and opinions of the 10 billion internet users worldwide, rather than just a few news or media outlets. Social media can give us more information more quickly than ever before. So, where will you get the information to help you make the right choice? Thank you. I think it went well. I said what I wanted to say and wrapped it up at the end and stayed within the time limit, so I think it went well. I actually thought this went better than the semifinals for me, so we'll see.